Here we will provide an overview of the IPReports version 2 laboratory steriliser templates, specifically how to select and report on a multitude of different loads associated with this type of machine. You can create laboratory steriliser test reports using the steriliser templates available for IPReports 2. As with all reports, configuration options are on the cover page. Use the drop-downs located below the title to select the machine type, test frequency and standard. Laboratory templates for small load, full load and automatic control test have a drop-down to select the load type. Load type selection also modifies the page title. Any load types not immediately available in the drop-down can be added manually. This is a persistent field, so any load types added will be remembered for use in future reports. Report alterations will invalidate cover page signatures, requiring the report to be re-signed. A warning message is displayed informing the user of this. The information provided in the test template will also appear in the report summary. When opened, the summary will list all load types separately for each test. Make sure that you watch our other IPReports version 2 demonstrations showing how the software can benefit your process validation reporting.